Hi, my name is Pinar Sinka. I am a Butoh dancer and teacher, and I am going to do Butoh performance in Morikami Museum and Japanese Gardens, March 27th. We are looking forward to seeing you. Butoh is the dance of the soul, an internal step. Drawing from Butoh's deeply emotional and poetic language, I express themes such as death, rebirth, grief, and resistance. My performances include both choreography and improvisation. I express emotional depth through symbolic elements. In this fast-paced modern world where everything changes every day, Butoh points to the importance of slowing down. In order to attune to our inner rhythm, we must allow the body to express itself. In this context, it is important for emotions such as tension, love, and compassion to emerge. When I dance, I focus on my breath, listening to the rhythm of my body and flowing with it. It becomes a form of meditation. There is a quote by Butoh master Tatsumi Hishikata that I deeply love. Every performance is reborn together with the audience. During the performance, it's important to experience transformation together with the audience. That is everyone, yet we rarely think about it. Those who lose loved ones go through a profound transformation, and I dedicate this performance to those who have lost someone dear to them.